This is Bonnie Hawkins from the Bonnie Hawkins channel, and I'm out here with these geese, I think you call them, or seagulls, or whatever they are. Some of them are flying high, some of them are down low. They're scooping around my head. I think they might be nesting. I don't know. But anyway, this is Bonnie Hawkins, and I'm so glad you guys tuned into my channel. That's the Bonnie Hawkins channel. Now I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see a few of the birds in action. Here, little birdies. Here, birdie, birdies. Here, birdies. Here, little birdies. Here, birdie. Twig. Now, they ain't thing but me, y'all. Look at them. Well, anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around for a minute. There's one scooping up in there. Guys, see it? Okay. And there's others out here. Hey, little birdies. Hey, little birdies. Okay. Scooping in the air. Twig. Yeah, twig. Here, little twiggies. Yeah, little twiggies. There they go. Around town and back. Yeah, little twig. Come on, twiggies. Come on, twig. Come on, twig. And there they go. Okay, I'm going to let them have a break. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. That is the Bonnie Hawkins channel. God bless you all. All right, geese, you guys can have a break now. Seagulls. Here. Wait. There they are. Somewhere over the rainbow. I know I better get out of here. They might come attacking. See the one over there? It's right over the sun. There it is. There they are. There it is. And I'm going to say, see you later. Looks like they might be resting or nesting. Okay. Several of them right here. Some of them are walking out there in the little parking lot there. But here's some right here. Hello, birds. Hey, birds. Birdie. Yeah, little birdies. Quick. Yeah, birdies. Yeah, birdies. Me and the birds.
Well, this concludes this video. I truly thank you for watching the Bonnie Hawkins channel. Be sure to come back.